Weird flex here, folks. When the United States had a toilet paper shortage, everybody was worried. How are they going to wipe? How are they going to stay hygienic? But not those people with a toilet like this. From Horow, this is one of the most advanced, stylish, sophisticated toilets in all the land. I love it, and you're going to love it as well. It has a bidet feature that feels so good. No longer are you going to deal with chapped butt. This is going to gently towel you off. It's got a dryer. It's got front and rear washing features. It's got a sensor to auto flush. And this thing is beautiful. It's got a little night light here that I love. And of course, wall mountable. It's got a remote control that gives you everything you need. The rear wash. For you ladies, the front wash. It's got the stop button. It's got an air dryer to dry you off. Of course, you can still use traditional toilet paper if you choose. It's got the auto flush, the flush button here, or the flush button right here. This you can change the pressure, easy peasy. You can adjust this heated seat. Yeah, that's right, this is a heated seat. And I tell you what, it's my mom's favorite aspect. It's also ultra quiet. It'll blow some air through to make sure that the air is circulating and it isn't stagnant and stinky in your bathroom. It's got adjustable temperature water, which means that you're getting a refreshing feel and not some icy cold water. It's got a deodorizer, a on and off night light you see right there. It's got power saving mode, automatic nozzle cleaning, and an adjustment from front to back to make sure you hit your spot perfectly. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right about now. Now, folks, one of the things I like so much about this is that it uses pressurized jets to spin around and clean the bowl to where you never have to worry about cleaning that bowl again. In addition, like I said, it's got that air to circulate and cycle the air through to make sure that things are staying fresh, keeps you dry, and the front and rear nozzle. Now I want you to think about that for a second. If you try to wash your hands, do you do so with just toilet paper? Nope. You do so with water and then you dry them. And you should be doing the same thing with your backside to stay hygienic. Now folks, that remote control is very easy to use. You've got the rear wash, the front wash, the stop, the dryer, and the flush button. And this thing is truly fantastic. Now look at those pressurized jets. That's not a standard flush, folks. That's going to get every drop down, and it's going to keep your toilet clean to where you're not having to worry about cleaning it. I also love the night light aspect. That easy on and off on the night light gives you something to aim at. And you know what? It's going to make a world of difference when you get up in the middle of the night. Now, something else that's very cool. This is in our guest bathroom. My parents love it. My mom loves the heated seat. That's the surprise for her. She loved that. Coming from Michigan, those seats get cold. This keeps your backside nice and warm and toasty. I like the fact that this stays clean because it's electric powered. It's got those pressurized jets keeping everything clean. And it's also a fairly silent flush. Now, if you look right down here, all you have to do is tap your foot and it will flush, which is great for at night. You don't have to touch anything. So your foot right there, auto flushes, and it's pretty quiet with its flush. So folks, what else can I tell you? First and foremost, it's Hygienic Tech Plasma sterilization, UVC water sterilization, silver ion seat, and self-cleaning nozzle make it the hit that keeps giving, that you aren't constantly cleaning it, and it's keeping you hygienic. The MAP score of 1000 G, and the built-in water tank pump, meaning it can flush up to 2.2 pounds of solid waste in one go. That's more solid waste than you should be producing anyway. The bio-inspired design means that it is perfect. It's inspired by how plants exchange CO2 for oxygen. The T33 is designed to give fresh air back with plasma sterilization and a deodorizer. No matter what the waste or odor, it takes it and makes it smell better. Of course, the installation was a jiff. All we had to do is take out the old seat, Set this one down, plug it in, and we were good to go. That made me happy. The installation literally took less than 15 minutes. And folks, I also want to mention that this has multiple heating options. So the seat temperature changes by just pressing right here. 4 different options. How cool is that? Or how warm is that? It's comfortable, heated, elongated seat with temperature sensor and warm air drying is perfect, and that night light is great as well. It's parent approved in ADA 17.5 inches, as well as that smart flush with a foot sensor, the auto off seat, and the remote control make it convenient. And again, with the back blackout flush, it works even during power outages. How cool is that? And in case you're wondering, it just plugs into a standard outlet, and it has all the safety features that you've come to expect from a brand as impressive as this. And folks, I do want to show you how easily and efficiently this rear washes. So at a push of a button, I've pushed the rear wash button, and you can see this comes out and it'll start spraying your backside. Easy peasy, very efficient. And this is going to keep you clean from top to bottom and stem to stern. And then that auto flush feature makes it convenient as well. And folks, one other cool aspect is when you sit down, it has a pre-rinse feature that keeps that porcelain nice and wet, which keeps anything from sticking on it, which again keeps the bowl hygienic and clean. Last but not least, I do have to point out that this brand, Horow, I've been using them for a long time. We have one of their toilets now in every bathroom in the house, in the master, the pool bath, and in the guest bathroom. They're my favorite brand. They are a preferred brand. I've never had one break down. They're always easy to install. They're always easy to use and easy to learn. So folks, if you're looking for a great toilet at a price that won't break the bank, well, guess what? This is a great option for you. It's a great option for me. And your guests are going to love it because it's easy to understand and use. Folks, I highly recommend you pick one up, whether it is for the convenience of the bidet function, whether it's from the hygiene or the self-cleaning, that warming seat or the easy no-touch flush, the remote control, the quality brand, the ease and convenience of installation. This is a great one. I highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching. I couldn't support this product more, so go get one. Goodbye, my friends.